Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we will see how can we convert JavaScript to Python code. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which we saw how ChatGPT can generate or execute SQL queries? If you are new here, I am Hassan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down this video. Let's start today's video without any further delay. Okay, I have now opened ChatGPT. So first of all, you should have some code of JavaScript so that you can convert that code to Python. So I have got you a code. I will give you this code and then you can just paste it right here. You can see that this code will get your prompt like we are doing right now, and then it will contact to the API and give you the result which ChatGPT will generate. So this code is in JavaScript right now. So what you have to do is to just type right here, translate this JavaScript code to Python code. I'm going to press enter and let's see. So here is the result of ChatGPT. It imported the same Python libraries corresponding to those JavaScript libraries which are right here, node fetch and fs. You can see that right here. Then it went to the function to send a prompt to the API and get response. So this is not organized actually. These are the comments right here, but ChatGPT generated it incorrectly. But these tags are actually comments, and this function is to save the data to the file. And for this function, it is the main function where we start the loop. As I said before, this code is actually take a prompt from you and then it will generate ChatGPT response right in front of you. It will print response from ChatGPT and also it will save that response of ChatGPT into a file. So now let's look forward to a new code which is YouTube title. This code is going to take some keywords from you and then it will send those keywords to YouTube API key. After that, it will generate the results of this. The result will be the YouTube titles corresponding to the keywords. It will print all those titles which you can also see by searching those on youtube.com. So now first copy this code and paste this code right here, and you have to do the same. Just copy the prompt and ask ChatGPT to translate this JavaScript to Python code. I'm going to press enter and let's see. So here is the Python code for the corresponding JavaScript code. First of all, it's going to connect with the API and then it's going to send those prompts to YouTube API, and then if nothing found, it will print no videos found for the switch query. And this is the main function where everything is starts from. You can also ask ChatGPT to convert this Python code to JavaScript code, so you might get actually the same code, but it may differ from the original code. Let's copy this code and then ask ChatGPT to convert this now into a JavaScript code. I've copied it and let's do this in new chat. I'm going to do the same. Ask ChatGPT to translate this Python code to JavaScript code. Let's see. So here is the JavaScript code generated by ChatGPT. You can see that it is actually the same code. It might be different somewhere, but you can get the same code as well. You can see those print statements like no videos found for search query, which actually exists in the real code too. Also, you can see that the function names are also same and the method to contact with the API is also same. So in this way, you can ask ChatGPT to convert your code to any language, and ChatGPT will also add those libraries corresponding to that language. Like in this code, we can see that it uses import request, whereas in JavaScript it uses this library, and in the previous code we considered it uses request and JSON, whereas in the JavaScript code it uses node fetch and fs. So ChatGPT will automatically find the correct library available in that language. So in the next video, we will see how ChatGPT can help you understand a code in any language and it will explain the code to you. So we will see that in the next video. So if you like this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish a video. Thank you guys for watching.